Hello, my name is Christine and I'm a Brompton lover. Today I'm here to give you one great tip. As you know, our darling Brompton has 16 wheels, very small. So when you go downhill, what happens is the rim gets too hot. And if you're like me, that I use like 80 psi, because the Brompton wheels, they go up to 100 psi. So if you're like me, that use the 80 psi, the rim gets so hot. If you have a very big downhill and you have to brake all the time, and the tube explode. So the tip is, you go uphill, put the pressure you want, 100, 80, 60, whatever you like. I like 80. 80 is fine because it's hard. It makes the wheel hard, the tires are hard, but not so hard. So it's comfortable, and at the same time, it's fast. It goes very fast. So what I do is, I go uphill with 80, but when I'm going downhill, my tires are, I change my tube because I'm so used to the road tube. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good enough. So lower pressure. So the pressure is lower. When you go downhill and you have to brake a lot, it warms up. But as you know, air, when warms up, it expands. So there's a space to expand it. So that's the tip for today. And actually, when I was going uphill today, I learned something. I was going uphill and there was a lot of wind and I had to do something. So I'm gonna post in the end of the video my next step. It was good, it was worth it. Enjoy it. If you want to be free, ride a bike. And especially our darling Brompton. They are the best. I really love her. She's so neat. I am in Mesa do Imperador. It's above Vista Chinesa. It's where the emperor used to have picnic. They used to come here with the carriage and have a picnic there in the Mesa do Imperador. If you like the videos, as I said before, I don't have a specific day to publish it. So if you like to be like called, if you like the videos, I don't have a specific day to publish it. So please sign in. And the little bell helps a lot, because this bell tells you when the video is out. Since I don't have the right day, because I do it whenever I have the time, I love to doing it. Well, like today I learned something, this uphill, you see it. I'll tell you actually, it's gonna be right after. What happened is, when you go uphill, it's hard because there's not enough gears, right? There's 6 gears. Even with the 44T on the front, it's still not enough. And when I was coming up today, I got some very strong wind towards me. So imagine going uphill with it wind very hard. So what you do is you wiggle the front wheel to get out of inertia. So it helps just a bit, but that's enough. That's what you need. Well, thanks to have you back. Bye bye. Going uphill against the wind. This is terrible. Let's do some zigzag. It helps a little bit. Try to put it not next with your pedal. usually here is fine, but okay, the wind stopped a little bit. Wow, what a difference. Whew.